I am packing up stuff like crazy. So, you know, it's boring, I know, but I thought I'd show the process. And I've got a little helper, right, Ralphie? Say hi. He's helping me. He's got to be right by my side. So my daughters helped bring up these plates for my storage room, and now I just need to decide what I want to take with me and what I want to discard of and donate. Decisions. I've already pared down a huge part of my plate collection, and those are all gone. And I've kind of gone through my fall dishes. There's very few I want to get rid of, just a small stack. And so really the rest of this needs to get packed. So this I am definitely keeping. And this too. Isn't that cute? Sunflowers and a rooster. What could be better? This plate was, I believe, Home Goods, and I'm going to let go of that one. I don't think I was able to find a good collection. I was hoping to one year, and I think I got very few of those plates. This is not fall. It is kind of a cool plate. Maybe I should hang on to it. Where did I get it? I don't even know. So are any of you obsessed with plates like I am? Definitely keeping this. I have 2 of these leaf plates, definitely keeping those. I have 2 of these, keeping those. I have had this for years, keeping that. And I have this plate, super cute, I'm keeping that. And this cute leaf plate, I will keep this cute pumpkin. You can't ever have enough pumpkins. Now, I bought this plate last year at Home Goods, and I have a small stack of these plates, but because they're stark white, I don't know, I don't want to bring these to the log home. I just don't. I don't think this is gonna go well in there, so this is gonna go. I have this cute leaf plate, definitely keeping this. This plate holds a lot of memories for me when the kids were babies, newly born, and I remember decorating my house for fall right after my 2 girls were first born. So definitely keeping that. Definitely keeping these 2 big leaf, well, one's a big leaf plate, one's a smaller version. These are so cute to decorate with for fall. Now I got this last year at, where did I get it? Wegmans. And I absolutely love this big giant sunflower. So this will go with me. This big giant melamine pumpkin plate or platter I'm taking with me. So I got a huge collection of these plates many years ago at Home Goods. These are 2 huge plates, and then you can see I have different shapes and sizes of these plates. Then I've got dinner plates. So I've got a huge stack of these somewhere on this island. So I'm going to keep these. I remember this platter is sentimental to me because I got this from Walmart many years ago when the kids were babies, and I remember having fun decorating with this plate. So, you know, it's all about memories that sometimes are attached to the things we like, and this one is one of them. It's not expensive, but like I said, it's the memories that keep me holding on to this. So check out this, really cute grouping of plates. I got these at Home Goods last year, and big, medium, small, super cute. You can group them in a huge easel and display them in your kitchen, on a table, on a hutch, on a shelf. Super cute. I'm keeping those. Now this is another platter I got when the girls were babies. Again, sentimental attachments to these things. So yeah, I have to keep this one. This is a big plate that I got at Home Goods a few years ago, but I really like the colors. And you can pair it with a smaller plate, sit it in a little easel or plate holder, put it in a kitchen or on a shelf. I'm gonna keep this one. Super cute, keeping that one. Keeping this and this, and these are cute too. Love those. All of those will go. Now I might let these go. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think these were Walmart, if I remember correctly. Super cute. Walmart puts out really cute plates and platters every year. I honestly think they were better in years past, but certainly this is really cute. I might have to hold on to these. Now, I found this last year at Home Goods, and I really liked the colors of it. Unfortunately, all I was able to find was, this plate and this platter. So I got two, and again, even if I can't find the whole collection, I will sometimes, like I said, I just prop them up on an easel in a particular room, and you can make a really cute display and vignette just with a few plates. Believe it or not, these were Walmart, and I think Walmart. Super cute. I'm going to keep those. And then I have this cute plate. So I could have pared down more, yes, I know, but I thought to myself, would you be sad if you let any of those plates go? And I really thought about it, and I thought, yes, I would, because I have sentimental attachments to them. So I'm going to hold on to those, because also too, am I going to use all those plates every single fall? No. But every so many years, I will switch them out. You know what I mean? So, yeah, I'm keeping most of those. I just went through a bunch of Christmas plates, and I literally got rid of a ton of those. Only because they're stark white. There's like red and white stripes. I just don't think that's going to look good in a log home. So, yeah, those are going to go. And some of those are sentimental too. My goodness. But yeah, they're not going to look right in a log home, so I'm going to get rid of those. Let's go through my Christmas plates real quick. There's not a lot because I got rid of a lot. I'm keeping these two plates. I got these, where did I get them? Home Goods years and years ago. But I love them. I think they look really cute and festive for Christmas. Now this stack of plates, I am totally keeping. They're certified international, and I absolutely love them. Even though they've got the bright white, I can put gold behind it in a log home, and they're gonna look gorgeous. I'm keeping the Santa plates. Again, I know these are white, but my girls did not want me to get rid of these. So at their request, I'm keeping them. I'm keeping this one and this one. I have a set of 4. I gotta go find the other 2, but those are so cute. And again, these are white. I hate to get rid of those. They're melamine. I might have to get rid of those, but keep these because these are sentimental to me and I love them. All right, back to fall. I'm telling you that I got rid of all my Christmas plates. I'm gonna have to get new ones because the other ones just wouldn't go right. So I'm keeping this cute little basket. Got that at Home Goods I think a few years ago. I'm keeping that. And I have these cute little leaf plates. I'm keeping those. I'm on the fence with this one. I bought this. I don't think I used it last year. I don't remember, but it's big. I don't know. I don't know if I want to keep that. I'm not even going to bother showing you my rooster plate collection because I have quite a few. And I thought these would look great in a log home. So I'm taking those with me. And I've got more where these came from. I have this big collection. I got this last year off of Amazon. They are so cute. Yeah, I can't get rid of these. Even though they're stark white, I might be able to make it work with perhaps, I don't know, a big charger. I have a collection of these beautiful plates. I got these at Home Goods years and years ago. I have the pitcher. I've got a vase. I have the whole collection, the big platter. So I think these are going to look great in a log home. Super cute. I have to take these. I just have to. They're so cute. So I have a big squared version of this, and this is an oval version. I might get rid of this. I don't know. I might get rid of both of them. And then I had the melamine huge version of this, and I have a smaller one. So I'm going to keep this one. I have a collection of these plates. I believe these were Walmart years and years ago. I'm telling you, they have the best fall plates. But like I said, even more so, years and years ago. I really love their plates. They put out early 2000 and up. They were so cute. Anyway, I'm keeping these. I think I'm gonna let this one go. As cute as it is, it says count your blessings. I rarely ever use this plate, so I think this one can go. I have a huge stack of these melamine plates. These are all gonna go. Go as in I'm gonna let them go. I don't want them. More rooster plates. I just love them. They're so cute. And then I have this cute platter. I'll keep that. This is another platter that I got at Walmart. Again, Walmart surprises me. Better Homes and Garden. I'm keeping this one. I know it's white, but I just love it. Well, guys, you got to see my little fall collection that I will be taking with us. And as you can see, I barely got rid of any, but I did let go of my Christmas plates. They're all out in the garage, the ones I want to donate. So that's a good thing. And oh, I need to pack my Williams-Sonoma pumpkin set that I got in an estate sale. That has to go. But yeah, so over here, this is my Williams-Sonoma pumpkin set. And you can see they're so cute. I just love them. I can't let those go. No, I can't. All right, friends, that's going to wrap up this little video for today. I might have a video for you on Friday showing you the progress I've made in my storage room. Be prepared to be shocked, because I'm shocked. All right, guys, love you. Have a great day.